Welcome back to my channel, G Squad. This is Gigi, and as you know, we do nails here. And today we've got Carmen out, and I am giving her a lovely base coat because the polish that we're using today does not really love to go on the tips without a base coat. It gets real separate-y, and you know what I mean. It doesn't like that slick plastic surface. So a little base coat goes a long way with this, and it is the DNC, I want to say. Anyway, it will be linked below. It's this cat eye polish. We're not going to bother to cat eye it because honestly, we're going to completely cover it up and give it a completely different look. But I was trying some stuff and playing around with the tip that I had used for swatching the other day, and I did something on top of it that I thought looked really pretty. And so I said, let's do a whole set, and this is what we're gonna do today. So I'm just cleaning up my mess here. I'm gonna pop this in the lamp, and we are going to do a second coat of this and then start in on that other treatment. Now, while that is curing, I'm gonna go ahead and take a tiny bit of this black from that solid cream gel from Modelones, and I'm going to lay it down on this little palette. And then we're gonna grab some Modelones base coat and add that to this and mix it up because I want a thinner consistency and more of a sheer look. And once we get this to the exact words, once we get this to the exact consistency that I want, we're gonna go ahead and grab a brush and start painting the nails with this. But we're gonna do that little bubble effect. I'm also going to put a little blob of top coat down on this palette so that we're ready, because you wanna do this like really quickly. So we're gonna come in, and you can see I've got that little blob of top coat there. I'm gonna come in and just paint the whole nail with this very sheer black. And it does completely self-level. As you can see, you start a little streaky and boom, it just self-levels in seconds. Then I'm gonna come in with the top coat and just dot it on there, and it spreads the black a little so you can see the pink more through, and it gives it sort of a bubble effect. And we're gonna do a little at the top of this nail and a little at the bottom. If you don't want it to spread too much, you want to go ahead and lock this in place with at least a flash cure. But I cured them completely all the way just to make sure everything completely froze into place. That might be overkill, but you know, I was probably watching a movie when I did this, and so the minute was spent watching a movie, so I wasn't wasted. And then we're gonna come in on this one and just do a nice little swath down the middle of that bubble look. And I really think this is, I'm gonna play around with this more. I think there's definitely some other ways we can use this application to do fun things. So I'm definitely curious about different things we can do in different color combos, and let me know in the comment section below if there's something that you'd like to see me try with this technique, or frankly any other technique. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up these bubbles. I know I didn't show painting the nail on this one, but I figured you knew what I was gonna do, right? So let's just go ahead and pop the bubbles down. And this one I'm kind of gonna go like a half circle swirl around the outside. And once all of these are completely cured, I'm gonna go ahead and give them a base coat just to smooth everything out. And now we're gonna do some stamping. And I really like that this stamping plate or stamping scraper is also a stamping plate. This is from Makartt. And so we're gonna go ahead and use that because it has a bunch of swirls on it. And that's what I really wanted, like bubbles and swirls. So it's kind of a dark fantasy, summery, no, not summery, dark fantasy set. And look at how cute the swirls look on there. And the bright really pops against that dark, still sort of pinky background. I really dig it, really a lot. Now with what's left, I'm gonna go on the top of that one Then we're just gonna hit this bottom right here on this one, almost like a little French. And then this one is gonna be just in that little area where none of the bubbles were. Okay, after cleaning up the extra little bits of polish off the nails, it is time to come in with some top coat. And this is going to be a matte top coat. So if you want to see what they look like shiny, go ahead and pause and take a look at how they're going to come out if they were shiny. But I think I really like the matte look because it gives it more of a romantic feeling. So this is kind of a dark, swirly, bubbly, romantic look. Don't forget to let me know what you thought of this set in the comment section below. And while you're down there, you know what to do because I'm trying to win that algorithm game. I hope you like this set, and if there's something you'd like to see on the channel in the future, please let me know because I really do want to make that happen for you. Thanks a lot for coming by. We are going to see you next week. You have a wonderful Saturday and Sunday. Mwah. Bye-bye.